Hi there, I'm Christian, this is my dog Ozzy, and today we learn how to set up WebdriverIO in an Electron project. Let's jump right in. Alright, in this video we will learn how to initiate a new Electron project using the Create Electron in Starter Kit. We will add WebdriverIO to the setup, and we will test the newly created Electron application using WebdriverIO. Let's get started. To get up and running with Electron development, all we need to do is calling npm init electron-app at latest dot. This will initiate a fresh new Electron project that we can start developing on. It comes with all the things attached that you usually need as an Electron developer. Once the setup has finished, in order to boot up our new Electron application, all we need to call is npm start. As you can see, a new Electron application is booted up, and it says, "Hello world, welcome to your Electron application." Let's add WebdriverIO to test this. In order to add WebdriverIO to any arbitrary project, all you need to do is call npm init WDIO at latest dot. This will add WebdriverIO to your current working directory. As you know, when you call this command, a configuration wizard gets started that will help you set up WebdriverIO in any arbitrary project. It walks you through a couple of questions to ask you various things in order to understand which setup it needs to create. In this case, we want to create a setup for an Electron project. So the first question is validating whether it is in the current and right directory. We say yes to that. Then it asks us what type of testing we want to do. We have the option to select end-to-end testing for web or mobile application, component or unit testing, or desktop testing of Electron application. We will select that. Next is, it asks us which kind of build tool we use to bundle our Electron app. In this case, the Electron app starter kit uses Electron Forge. We will therefore select that. Then it asks us which framework we want to use. Here we select Mocker because Mocker is awesome. It asks us which type of compiler we want to use. We will just go with TypeScript. Then it asks us if we want to auto-generate some files. We say yes. We select the default value for the location of the task files. And then we just select the default values for the upcoming commands. The configuration wizard will now install all the missing dependencies to get up and running with Electron testing. And it will create a test directory for us and a WDIO config file. Let's look into the WDIO config file. Here we will see that it sets the specs to the one that has been created. And then we will see now in our capabilities, we have an Electron as browser name, which will tell WebdriverIO to start the Electron application that is in this directory. Other than that, we have a service added to our config, which tells WebdriverIO to use the Electron service, which is a plugin that helps us to easier test Electron application. Let's check in our test. We can remove this boilerplate code and just write a simple assertion calling expect. And in there we had an h1. And we expect this text to have a text that is containing hello world. Let's gonna import the right commands, and that's gonna be it. Let's check it out if it works. We're gonna call npm run WDIO, which is a command that has been added by the configuration wizard. Give it a go, and it fails. Why is that? Now the error will tell us, could not find any Electron application. You might want to build it before. So let's bundle the Electron application first before we test it. In order to bundle the Electron app, all we need to do is call npm run package. This is also a command added by the Create Electron app. Now you see in our project, we have a new out directory, which has the bundle application of our Electron app. Now we can go ahead and actually test our application, call npm run WDIO. As you can see here, the application popped up and disappeared immediately. Our tests were passing. You can see that it found the hello world within the application. We can add a little pause in there to see actually the application spinning up. So let's add a pause there and rerun it again. And we will see our Electron application being popped up and being finally tested with WebdriverIO. This is how easy it is to test Electron with WebdriverIO. A simple service will take care of all the setup that you need so you can focus on testing and testing only. I hope this was insightful. Let me know if you want to see more of these kind of videos, and we see you in the next one. Bye bye.